Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Welcome to Zukhruful Quran channel. Surat al-Zuha. Zuha meaning after sunrise. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. In the name of Allah, the most gracious and the most merciful. Wazuha, by the forenoon after sunrise. Wallayli idha saja, by the night when it darkens and stands still. Ma wadda'aka rabbuka wa ma qala, your Lord, O Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, has neither forsaken you nor hates you. وَلَلْآخِرَةُ خَيْرٌ لَكَ مِنَ الْأُولَى, and indeed the hereafter is better for you than the present life of this world. وَلَسَوْفَ يُعْطِيكَ رَبُّكَ فَتَرْضَى, and verily your Lord will give you all good, so that you shall be well blessed. Alam yajidka yatima fa'awa, did he not find you, O Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, an orphan and give you a refuge? وَوَجَدَكَ ضَالًّا فَهَدَى, and he found you unaware of the Quran, its laws and Prophet taught and guided you. Sadaqallahul Azim.